Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher from PMS Boys 5. Today is your lecture number 5. In today's lecture, we will discuss about action words. Now, what are action words? To understand action words, we have to firstly understand the meaning of action. What is action? Action means to act, to move, or to do something. Actions are also called verbs. I can show you some actions in this small, interesting book. You can see a boy is drinking water. Listen. He is listening with his ears. She is eating with her hands and mouth. Now these are all actions like clapping, like writing, eating, listening, jumping, standing, talking, and drinking. These are all actions. Now what are action words? The main topic is what are action words? This word shows us an action, so it is action word. This word shows an action, so it is action word. This word means stand shows us some action, so it is action word. All those words in English language which shows us some action are called action words. Let us take a look for some more examples. Look at this. Climb. Climb means churna. Kick, sit, wear. She's wearing her jacket. Words are action words and the picture shows us action. So action words means act, movement, or doing something. Okay, my dear students, before coming to your neat copies, you will practice some sentences in your rough copies. You have to practice these sentences in rough copies. After that, I will make you write the words, the sentences in your neat copy. Ali is jumping on the floor. You have to write these sentences in your rough copy and underline it by yourself. Ali is jumping on the floor. Ali jump kar raha hai floor par. In this sentence, which word shows us an action? Yes, jumping. Jumping shows us an action. क्योंकि jumping के लिए हम अपने पाँव और टांगों को मूव करते हैं. We move our legs and feet to jump. You will underline the word jumping. You are talking too much. तुम बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो. Talking means बोलना. This is an action word. I am writing an essay. मैं एक essay लिख रही हूँ. Mother is washing clothes. ममा कपड़े धो रही हैं. I like to swim. और मुझे swim करना पसंद है. वैसे भी आजकल समर्स हैं. समर्स में तो बच्चों को स्विमिंग बहुत पसंद होती है. So they like to swim in summers. I also like to swim. In summer you can say I like to swim. So swim is an action word. You have to do this work in your rough copies. I'm repeating again, you have to do this in rough copies. Now open your copies for neat work. Now you have to open your copies. You have to write today's date, draw margin line, and write topic, action words, / verb. I have put a slash because these words are also called action words and also called verb. Both have same meanings. दोनों हमें एक ही तरह के मतलब देते हैं. हम तमाम action words को verb कहते हैं. You have to double underline the topic, action words, or verb. You have to double underline it. Make sure your writing must be very neat and tidy. You have to use sharpened pencil. Then you will write question, underline the verbs or action words in the following sentences. I will write some sentences below and you will underline the action words or verbs in those sentences. Okay? My first sentence is I played with Pingu. As you all know, Pingu is the name of the penguin. I means मैं, played means खेला, with Pingu means Pingu के साथ, मैंने Pingu के साथ खेला. So which word shows us an action? कौन सा word हमें movement और action के बारे में बताता है? Played, very good. Played shows us about action. So we will underline this word and we'll write number 2 sentence. My mother is cooking tasty food. मेरी अम्मी, cooking means खाना पकाना. Cooking means खाना पकाना. Tasty food, मज़ेदार खाना. मेरी अम्मी मज़ेदार खाना पका रही हैं. So cooking means पकाना, और cooking करने के लिए हम एक्शंस करते हैं ना. मीन्स जब मम्मा खाना बनाती हैं, शी इज़ मूविंग हर हैंड. So this word shows us some action. So you will underline the word cooking and you will write number 3 sentence. Umair smiled in the class. Umair is the name of a boy. Smiled means muskuraya. In the class means class में. When we smile, we move our lips and our cheeks. So this word shows us action. Smiled, you will underline the word smiled. Number 4, he is driving very fast. ड्राइविंग मीन्स जब कोई चीज़, जब कोई व्हीकल चलाते हैं, व्हीकल ड्राइव करते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम ड्राइविंग का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक समवन कैन ड्राइव अ कार, समवन कैन ड्राइव एन ऑटो, समवन कैन ड्राइव अ बस, और समवन कैन ड्राइव अ बाइक. सो फास्ट मीन्स तेज़. ही इज़ ड्राइविंग वेरी फास्ट. वो बहुत तेज़ चला रहा है. मीन्स इट कैन बी अ कार, इट कैन बी अ बस, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो ही इज़ ड्राइविंग फास्ट. सो ड्राइविंग के लिए मूवमेंट की ज़रूरत होती है. सो वी विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ड ड्राइविंग. After writing these 4 sentences, you will draw an ending line. This was video number 5. So we will meet inshallah with you in next lecture with new topic. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.